Hey guys, so in today's video I wanted to share an unboxing video because a manufacturer based out of India sent me some free samples. So I thought it would be great to go ahead and share these with you, especially if you are thinking about working with a manufacturer directly to design products for you and create products based on your vision. So that being said, let's just go ahead and take a look at the samples they sent me. So first up, just gonna go ahead and open this one. I probably shouldn't talk while it's crinkling. So they just sent me a couple of samples at random. I didn't choose these or anything, but so far I can see that they have a white shirt. It's got some fancy design on the side. So overall, I think in terms of like the way the fabric feels, it does feel quite nice. It kind of feels like a fitted sheet, to be honest. Okay. So this one is actually a dress, and it's got a cinched waist and some ruffles and a little drawstring type of deal at the top. So it also seems like a nice fabric. The next one, I actually already opened one, but I think this one will probably be my favorite just looking at all of the ones that were shipped to me. So this one is a longer dress. I would say it's a maxi dress, and it's got a nice print. I like the colors, blue and yellow flowers, of course, and I think that this would be a really cute dress for spring, and like I said, I do like the quality on all of these so far. It does feel like a quite nice fabric. So far, out of the three, I am pleased with the quality. Next, I think this is a set because I have two items in the same fabric. Yeah, so this looks like some cute shorts for summer. And this is like a really lightweight fabric. They've got pockets on the shorts, which is cool. Okay, so here we have the matching top, and it's kind of like, it's definitely the same material. It's kind of like a nice Hawaiian shirt, but it's kind of like a cute little matching set. I bet this would be really cute at the beach. And what I would probably do if I were wearing this is maybe unbutton it all the way and then just like wear a swimsuit under it. That would be my ideal way of styling it, but you could definitely wear this out and about however you see fit. So again, similar lightweight fabric with as to the shorts. Next up, we have this cute number. So this would be, let's see. I think this would be more of like pajama, loungewear, something to wear at home, just based off of the way the fabric feels. But if it was intended to be like just a tank top that you wear out in public, I could see that too. Just based off of the fabric, I'm assuming it's like more intimates. But either way, like I do like the way it feels. It seems like it would be super comfy to wear. And then lastly, we have another shirt. So with this one, it's more of a silky feel, and it's got some jeweled, work on the sleeves and the top. All right, so those were all the pieces. Let me go ahead and just read to you a little bit about the brand in case you are new to the manufacturing, working directly with a manufacturer world. So basically, a little bit about them. So this brand is known as Akira Experts, and they're a woman-run business based out of India. We are two sisters keen on serving our clients with top-notch quality products at a realistic price. And there are basically 3 stages to work with a client or brand. So first is the development stage, where the buyer shares mood board or specs with them, and then they share the fabrics, trims, and curates the samples accordingly. And then after the buyer has approved of the samples, the client/brand places a purchase order to them, which is the second stage, and finally they proceed with production and shipment. So one thing that they wanted to know is that when they're developing the free samples for brands, since the samples are free for the cost of the buyer, the only thing the buyer has to pay for is the courier charges, and the payment terms is 50% advance and 50% first week after dispatch of shipment. It will all be a FOB shipments, and that means basically the buyer pays for the shipping charges, or if you are a brand that has your own logistics partner, you can sort that out as well. So if you're interested in learning more or working directly with this vendor, I can share their email address. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you have any questions at all, especially if you're interested in learning more about the process of working with manufacturers directly to design your own products. I'd be happy to create more videos talking exactly about what that process entails. So with that, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.